I know I sat on that egg for all those weeks, but now that she's here... Well, Gertie, I just don't know how you do it.
You just get used to it, Henrietta. The first dozen is the hardest.
The first dozen? She has enough energy for 12 of them already.
Mama, look! Look at me! I said look!
What are you feeding her?
I feel like I'm made of rubber!
Bunchems, the stick and build and scrunchems. Bunchems, the perfect anything. These are bunchems, can't you see? They can be anything you want them to be. Squish them up and they hold on tight. Whatever you dream, they'll build just right.
Bunchems are perfect for building anything. Birds, bears, yeah. Are they snakes? Yes. Are they spiders? They can be.
Bunchems, clean them up, no problem.
Bunchems, additional set sold separately from Spin Master.
Bunchems.